Hello, hello, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, I got one for you. I'm going to show you how to make marmalade chicken with peppers and onions. Marmalade chicken with peppers and onions. You know, sometimes you may go to the Chinese restaurant or different restaurants and they have orange flavored something that you like. Well, this is my inspiration where I pick up with the marmalade chicken. Okay, without any further ado, thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe. Comment and let me know how you like it. I guarantee you're gonna like it. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have 3 drumsticks that I cut the chicken off the drumstick bone, and 2 chicken breasts here all cut up. Okay, I have 1 large onion cut up and 1 red sweet pepper cut up. Okay, so let's start with some seasonings. I have some garlic already processed in the food processor. I'm going to take a half of a tablespoon of garlic. And then I'm just going to mix that into the chicken. Try to get it on all the chicken if you can. Okay, now I'm going to add some onion powder, I don't want paprika because I don't want the color red to show up. Okay, let's go with some lemon pepper. Okay, and let's mix this in. You know what I will go for, because this is an orange color, right? The sweet orange marmalade is an orange color, orange flavor. So let's go with Sassoon. Sassoon is also a orange color. So you see how I'm allowing it to dictate to me what I do? This is 1 package I'm using. Okay, we're going to add the onions to the olive oil that's in the frying pan. And the peppers. Add some more oil on the top. Okay, I'm going to cover that. Okay. So now, let me see if I have any more in here. Okay, I have a little drop more. Okay, that's all of the sassoon. Let me show you what sassoon looks like. Sassoon. Okay? So the sassoon is a seasoning, so it's going to have a little, not really salty, but a little salty taste, okay? But it's not real salty. And then you're going to have the sweet orange marmalade. So you can see together it's going to be a great taste. Okay, so while that's cooking, let me let you hear the word of the day from me, okay? Let me give you the word of the day early. Happy Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up, and I wanted to make sure that I was able to tell you Happy Mother's Day in advance. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there, and to all those who mothered someone, and for all those who loved someone like a mother. Happy Mother's Day. You know, Mother's Day really is a lot of things. It's nice if you want to give a gift or some flowers, but really, what is it really about? It's about that maybe, but also it's even deeper. It's about the love you share, the love you bring to the table to your mother. So, you know, what a mother really wants is to have their child to grow up and be decent citizens, to respect them, care about them, call them often, quite often, okay, just to let them hear your voice, to let them know you're all right, because you know a mother worries all the time, and if you can do that, then she feels the best love ever. So love on your mother, would you please? And I hope you get love back. Happy Mother's Day, ladies. Okay, that's the word of the day. Okay, and that's in advance of Mother's Day. Thank you. Okay, so I took the onions and peppers out. They are already sauteed. So now we're going to add the chicken to the same olive oil that the onions and peppers cooked in. Okay, so let's do that. Here's the sauteed onions and peppers. Now let's add the chicken. This is the chicken with the sassoon and garlic on it. And I'm putting a cover on it to speed up the process. And we're going to have this over rice. I already cooked some white rice in the rice cooker. just turning it over. Okay, and I'm going to let that cook for about maybe 2 minutes, and I'll come right back with you. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a temperature. The temperature should be 165 for chicken. So I'm going to put it through several pieces of chicken to get an accurate read. Okay, we're at 168. We're done. Okay, so now we're going to add the sweet orange marmalade, okay? And you see it's melting right away. I'm going to add the onions and peppers. Okay. And then I'm going to cut it off. So when I pour it out, I want all the marmalade to go over the dish so that it all sweetens all the chicken, okay? How about that? Another dish for you. Okay, I'm going to get a plate and I'm going to plate up. 1 second. I brought you back to show you. Look at this sauce. You see that? How about that, huh? Can you just imagine that? So I'm going to put the rest over the chicken and rice, but I wanted you to see that because I didn't want you to miss that. So I'm just going to pour some of the sauce over the rice. Oh my, my, my. Can you just imagine that flavor? And then over the chicken. All the drippings from the chicken when it cooked in the frying pan mixed with that marmalade sauce. Oh boy, boy, boy. Look at that. Can you imagine? Mmm! Okay, let me taste. Okay, let's take a taste. Chicken. Mm. The rice with onions and peppers. Wow. The flavor is so good, guys. Mmm. So good. You can taste the orange flavor and the sweetness. Not too sweet though. The seasoning from on the chicken and the garlic brought that right down. It's a nice flavor. You didn't have to go anywhere but in your kitchen to do it. How about that, huh? Okay, so you let me know how you like it. Please comment and let me know. Share the video. Give this a big thumbs up. Big thumbs up, okay? Talk to you soon. Bye.